How to activate Lowe's credit card online. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now at the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Lowe's.com and search for it. With that you will be directed to the official website of Lowe's. Now you have to log into your account. At the top right you will find this icon. Click on it. Click on the option of Sign In and with that you will land to the login page. Over there you have to type in the credentials of your Lowe's account and log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the activation page. This page is usually located within your account dashboard or in the Manage Account section. Provide the required information which typically includes your credit card number, the last 4-digit of your SSN number and other details requested for the verification purpose. You may be asked to verify your identity through additional steps such as answering security questions or providing a one-time code sent to your email or phone number. After providing the necessary information and completing any verification steps, review the details one last time and confirm that you want to activate your Lowe's credit card. Once the activation process is complete, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your Lowe's credit card is now active and ready for use. If you encounter any difficulties during the activation process, you can contact Lowe's customer service for assistance. Well, this way you can easily activate your Lowe's credit card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.